While all the news seems to be about Ethereum and whether this should be a security or not, people seem to be forgetting that XRP settlement is around the corner, and we're seeing significant buys and lots of positive momentum coming for XRP. In fact, the only coin today that is in the green compared to a lot of others in the red. Now, we're going to be taking a look at exactly what's going on with ETH as well as XRP's significant inflows and a huge whale buying a significant amount. All of that in this video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get straight into it. So welcome back to the channel, everybody. Let's talk about XRP. And there's been some significant developments going on over the course of the last couple of days, particularly coming out the weekend. Now we move ever nearer to the March 6th deadline. What we're all waiting for is that settlement. Are we truly going to finally get the answer that we need, the outcome that we are all waiting for in terms of the value of the settlement? But the broader cryptocurrency market today down about 1.6%, trading at about 2.33 trillion. Our volume is up, but it always will be on a Monday versus the weekend. But what you notice, XRP holding up around 51.36 and actually outperforming most of the other altcoins. You see Ethereum at 2.6%, Solana 2.4%, as well as Doge at 4%, Toncoin, Cardano all in significant decline. XRP is holding up at 0.19 negative, just under a flat performance. That's not to say though our volume isn't up, 125% up. So what's happening? What is going on when we talk about XRP? Well, like I said, we see a significant amount of controversy all sitting around Ethereum. Gary Gensler apparently given his view that Ethereum was a security over a year ago. But what does it mean? What are we going to see? Well, the XR community debated ETHGate controversy and how alleged Ethereum free pass negatively affected the altcoin. And the fact that Gary Gensler views Ethereum as a security, but then did nothing about it and went after Ripple is very, very interesting. It says here, Ripple loses all gains from previous 7 days trading at 50 cents. Earlier Monday, XRP holders have their eyes peeled for Securities and Exchange Commission filing of an opposition brief to Ripple's motion to strike expert testimony. On the back of that, the ETHGate controversy, a conspiracy theory that Ethereum received a free pass from US regulators, has resurfaced. And this is important. We know David Schwartz given his views on it, but it is documents yet to be released. But the allegation here is that Gary Gensler believed Ethereum was a security. If that was the case, why was Ethereum not put in the same category as XRP? Now, this could have significant ramifications. If this does come out, then absolutely the view would be once again that the SEC are deliberately attacking specific coins and companies, as opposed to having a broader regulatory standpoint, which we've seen with things like Debtbox and LBRY. So very interesting to see. Now, on the back of that, though, we do actually see significant inflows coming for XRP and Solana, about $4.5 million amid a growing interest around altcoins and specifically over Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin has pulled back a little bit and people are looking to increase their positions, including over $435 million worth of outflows from the incumbent ETFs, but they seem to be moving a little bit more into XRP and broader altcoins out of that Bitcoin narrative. That's why we're seeing the price push down in Bitcoin. Also, though, and this is where it gets interesting, we are seeing significant buys of big wallets. Over 20.9 million XRP was transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. Now, there has been many of these transfers over the course of the last week as we feel whales are accumulating. Now, I talked about this on my live stream, that ultimately whales, anyone with over 155 days of an asset that's not been sold, are accumulating and show no signs of selling. Now, this is important for the broader market, but it shows signs of strength and actually that we could see a significant price rise coming very, very soon. So there's a lot of stuff going on with XRP, all of which we're waiting for the settlement from the SEC, which now may be delayed given the ETHGate controversy. Now, whether we'll see this, is this another Hinman file situation? Quite possibly, but it certainly is very interesting. And once again, showcases that if this is true, there would be another call for Gary Gensler to go. A lot of people forget the fact they tweeted out that the Bitcoin ETFs were approved and people lost millions of dollars through some complete and utter debauchery coming out of that. This would be another one of those blows and probably one that I don't believe Gary Gensler could come back from. Tom Emner and many of the other people in the house would absolutely call for his resignation. So if we take a look at XRP's price, what have we got going on? Well, we bounced once again off that bottom support line at 49.82 with a nice push potentially to the upside at 51.62. We want to break above 52.84. As you can see, though, in the last 24 hours for the day, we are up 1.2% in terms of price. So a nice little green candle. However, Bitcoin is starting to move. This could be a good sign going into the week. Don't forget, in literally a couple of hours, we've got the Hong Kong ETFs launching as well. So we may see a significant rally, and then it's on to the races and whether we see XRP become an ETF before Ethereum. Lots of people believe we get an Ethereum one first, but proof of stake seems like it's put a stake in that idea. Let me know what you think. What's your view? Is Gary Gensler once again lying about the fact that ETHgate is a thing? Should XRP even have had to endure these last couple of years? And should we just all get along? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel for all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And I will, as always, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.